friends, welcome back to the Moon Vlogs, and this side it's the moon. So today's video will be based on this particular look, which is the smudged Kajal look, or commonly known as the smoky eye. I'm also from India, and I know the grievance of every girl. We girls are quite simple from India, and we just have one piece of Kajal in our house, and then we just tend to look quite different every single time in every occasion. So this is the look that can be created with that small piece of kajal itself, and this is the look that suits every outfit. It matches itself in the western outfit, also in the Indian wear. So you can use this particular makeup during events like weddings and certain festivals. Also, you can create this look and go out with your jeans. Okay, so this is that simple and easy. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how with minimum of things you can create this particular look. I would like to request everyone watching my video to please subscribe to my channel for such updates. Also, I hope that you guys would create this look in your house the way I have been creating, and then just share me your feedbacks of how it looked. And please do like my video if this look suits you in every occasion, as I have said. Okay, so without any further ado, let's proceed. So as you guys know me, I always love to begin with a moisturizer since it protects my skin from direct chemical exposure and damages. So today I'm using BLCC's moisturizer. Okay, so it's organic, and then as I told you that you're supposed to do this way towards the upper direction, and try your best to apply the moisturizer in this circular flow. So that I'm gonna go for a concealer. You know me quite well, I guess, so I love to give my eye a lifted look, for which I just don't go for heavy concealer, okay, so just apply it first on any side wherein you feel comfortable, and then just go for the other one. Okay, I'm gonna use the mirror for this. Just give it a gentle dab, just don't drag this way. Just give it a gentle dab so that it sets in your skin really well. And apply a little more amount of concealer here, because it gives a natural eyeshadow type of thing to your eyes. You don't need to apply much of eyeshadow this way. I'm done with my other eye as well, so I'm going to go for the foundation now. It's once again the Swiss Beauty Eye Coverage Foundation, because I love to switch to one product, okay, especially when it comes to cosmetic products. I'm very choosy about it, and when I stick to one particular brand, then that is the brand for me. I'm not going to switch to some other brands, because if that particular product is good to my skin, I'm good to that product, this type of thing. So it's the Swiss Beauty High Coverage Foundation, and the concealer was Swiss Beauty Concealer on the shade 4. So Swiss Beauty Foundation consists of the ivory color. Okay, it's the rose blush shade 5. I'll be linking all the products for you guys to catch up. You can purchase it of your shade, and always remember that the concealer you apply must be of your skin tone, and the foundation you apply must be of of a little bit fairer complexion than your skin. Okay, that way you're gonna get a lifted plus a fairer complexion look. And concealer does not mean only hiding your dark circles. It also means hiding your darker points, like some might have here, some might have here. Okay, so you can apply it. I have less, so I'm going for only the dark circle things. Okay, so just give it a slight dab this way. Okay, do not apply it much. Okay, I'm taking it here. See, a little quantity because I don't like that whitish glow. I'm going to put some foundation here as well, because these are the points where most of the girls are missing, and everyone can figure out that you have been applying some makeup. Okay, so let's not give everyone a chance to know that what we are doing. Let's dab once again the mirror. Okay. Please be very careful when it comes to the eye, because you have been putting concealer here, so don't drag it. Just try to pat and then to mix the concealer and the foundation very well. Although it's waterproof, but then please don't drag it immediately after putting the concealer this way, you know. You're done with your foundation, you can go for the kajal. I'm going to use Lakme Iconic Kajal for today, and this is the thing which everyone has it in their house, so it's very easy to create this smoky eye look. Okay, so let's begin. You know, you have this kajal. I'm going to use my mirror. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to drag this kajal slightly. Also go for the upper side, same way, towards your outer corner. It does not need to be precise, okay, because we're gonna smudge it up. Now once you have been doing this towards your outer corner, you are supposed to smudge this up, okay. I've been applying very less, okay, because I don't want this to look like a panda, okay. I want to look good, okay, so I don't want myself to look like a panda. I'm just going for the little thing for now, and then if I find that this one is becoming very less, then I'm gonna smudge it up again after applying kajal. So let's see. I'm gonna use my mirror once again. So the smudging technique is that you're gonna drag it towards your inner corner, okay. You can close your eyes and then just drag it towards the inner corner side. It does not need to be precise though, but be sure that you're not going to drag it too much and then spread it too much, you know. I'm finding it to be very little, so I'm gonna apply a little bit more of kajal one more time. Let's see. So this is the perfect thing that I'm getting, okay. So now see, if you look at this way, then it's not actually apt, okay. So what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to apply kajal on the waterline. Okay, on the waterline, inner waterline, due to which our eye shape will get a perfect, outline, due to which our eyes will look beautiful. Okay, so let me try to apply it there itself. Be a little careful, and if you feel that the outline is just going out, you can smudge it later. So be careful, but then if something happens that it applies towards the outer corner, no problem, you can smudge it again. Okay, let me use the mirror. This is the portion where the beauty lies. Okay, push it this way a little bit. Then you get a perfect shape if you have been noticing it. See, just this way. Nothing more. Then I'm going to do the same with the other eye. I am done with my other eye as well. So now I would love to go for the blush. Once again, a lipstick which will match this particular look. It's deep pink from Elitine Matte Lipstick. Drag it. In your cheekbone, you're supposed to drag it this way. You can also tap it. You can go for the mascara to give in volume to your lashes. I'm going to use the Oriflame lip liner, which is of my shade, okay, because I don't want to see that the sharp red border on my lips, so let it seem quite new since it's a matte. So let me go for a lip liner. Once you're done with your lip liner, let's go for the lipstick. Since the shade of the lip liner and the lipstick are not the same, try your best to hide the lip liner with this lipstick. It will give you a sharp edge and an outline to the lips. So after you feel you're okay with it, let's go for the compact powder. Also apply a little quantity in your lips. Done. It will set everything. I'm good to go with half bun with this, hairstyle. This was the Smudged Kajal look. And this is how you can derive the smoky eyes, okay, with just a kajal, okay. Just be sure that you apply good amounts of foundation and concealer while creating this look, so that everything looks fair and the complete attention goes towards your eyes, okay. So this was the Smudged Kajal look. I hope you've loved it. You can also go for the nudie makeup that I had been sharing it. I would link that particular video for you guys as well in the description box. And this was it for today. This is again a very very easy makeup, okay. You just need, I guess, minimum of things are a concealer, a foundation, a moisturizer, and a kajal, also a lipstick. Okay, so 5 ingredients. Okay, concealer is a must. If you don't have a foundation, no problem, you can go for a compact powder. And in some cases, if your complexion is very very fair, then you can go for a loose powder or a tag as well, okay. And you can go for kajal, any sort of kajal you like, okay, which suits your eyes, with which you are comfortable with. You can go for a lipstick, and do not forget a moisturizer. You must have these 4 things, a moisturizer, a compact, a concealer, and a lipstick, okay, which everyone has. And for this look, you need a kajal, okay. So that was it for today, and I hope it was easy. Do share me your feedbacks in the comment section below. If you have any queries, I'm always up to it. You can just ask me, okay. So yes, you're ready to go anywhere. You can go to the market with this, you can go to parties, you can, like I'm using this in the western look, but then this particular makeup suits the best in the Indian styles as well. Do share me your feedbacks after trying this particular makeup, okay. Make sure to share me your feedback, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. I will be bringing you fun videos, also makeup tutorials to influence you guys. So stay tuned, we'll be showing you loads in the next video. Bye bye, love you all.